Hello students, in this video we are going to learn about 9th standard computer science chapter 6 topic visual basic basis. In previous videos you are studied about what is visual basic programming and what are the components of visual basic programming and what is variable. Okay, now in this video we are studying about what are the data types available in Visual Basic and what is variable, what is container, and what is mean by operators and what are the different types of operator. Okay, first topic, data types in Visual Basic 6.0. First data type is numeric data types. In numeric data types having different types: bytes, integer, long, single, double, currency. These are the numeric data types: bytes, integer, long, single, double, currency. Okay, these are the numeric data types. Numeric means numbers, byte means 0 to 255 character, integer means integer number, long means long value, single means small floating point number, double means large floating point number, currency means monetary value, store monetary values. Okay, these are the numeric data types. Next data type is string. This data type is used to store alphanumeric values. Okay, the string data type is used to store alphanumeric values. A variable length string can store approximately 4 billion character. Okay, next data types, date. Date is another data type used to store date and time values. The date data type is used to store date and time values. Okay, next data type is Boolean. Boolean data type hold either a true or false value. The Boolean data type hold either a true or false value. These are not stored as numeric values and cannot be used as just. These are the not a numeric value. It only store true and false. True means 1, false means 0. Okay, so true value consider the value 1 and 0 means false. Okay, next data type is variant. It store any type of data, and if the default basic data type, it store any type of data. Okay, different data types can be stored in variant data type. So these are the different types of data type. Okay, next topic, variable. Variable, what is mean by variable? Variables are the memory locations. What is mean by variable? Variables are the memory location which are used to store values temporarily. Which is used to store value temporarily. A defined naming strategy has to be followed while naming a variable. A variable name must begin with the alphabet, letter, and should not exceed 255 character. Okay, it should not be exceed 255 character. The variable name must start with alphabets. It must be unique within the same scope. It should not contain any special character like percentage symbol and symbol. These symbols cannot be contained in variable name. Okay, next topic, control types. The 4 controls are available in Visual Basics. What are they? Text box control, label control, list box control, and combo box control. These are the controls of Visual Basic. What is the use of text box control? Type any text, enter any text using this box. Okay, if you want to type any one text using this text box control. Okay, next, label control. It is used to display text entered by the program designer. It is used to display text. It display the text. Okay, next, list box control. Display a list of item. The list box control is used to display list of item. Next one, combo box control. It is used to combine the feature of a list box and a text box. It is used to combine the list box and a text box. So these are the controls of data type. Next topic, container. What is mean by container? Container house or contain a set of control. Container contains hold the set of control. These are 2 types: picture box control and frame control. Okay, the container contains two types. First one picture box control, second one frame control. Next topic, buttons. What is mean by button? Buttons are control that the user click to turn on or off. Normal button. If you want to on the Visual Basic programming, you click on button. Next off, you just click the off button. Okay, the buttons are can be have three types. Okay, four types. First one option button control, next checkbox control, third one command button control, fourth one image control. So these are the buttons: option button control, checkbox control, command button control and image control. Next topic is scroll bar. Scroll bar, what is the use of scroll bar? Scroll bar enable the user to examine a list when the entire list does not fit on a screen. Both horizontal and vertical scroll bar having. There are two types of scroll bar: horizontal scroll bar control and vertical scroll bar control. What is the use of horizontal scroll bar? Provide for easy navigation through a long line of information or enable the user to set speed, quantity or quality. Placement is across the screen. Vertical scroll bar control same as the horizontal scroll bar. Okay. Next topic, object naming convention of control. Control names and its prefix name. First one, form means FRM, text box means TXT, checkbox means CHK, image means IMG, shape means SKHP, label means LBL, command button means CMD, option button means OPT, line means LIN, scroll bar means KHSB. So these are the control and its prefixes. Next topic, operator in Visual Basics. There are three operators available in Visual Basic programming. First one arithmetic operator, second one relational operator, third one logical operator. First one arithmetic operator. These are the operator. The operator name is add, subtract, divide, integer division, multiply, exponent, remainder of division and string concatenation. So these are the operator. Next, this is example and result. Okay. Next, relational operator. These are the relational operator: greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to and equal to. So these are the relational operator. This is example and its result. Okay. Next, logical operator. So or and these are the operator. Or and description. Or means operation will be true if either of the operator is true. Second one, and operator. Operator will be true only if both the operator is true. Okay, so this is the logical. Or and these are the logical operator. Okay, so this is a Visual Basic programming. Study very well.